As a home cook, it's, as a, whenever I'm cooking for family and friends, I almost always forget to make dessert. Probably because most times desserts are very sweet and heavy, and it just isn't something that I want to finish my meal off with. But this time of year, it's nice to finish with something light, slightly sweet, that really anybody can enjoy. And so I have a few of those in my back pocket. I'm going to share one with you today. It's grapefruit with an avocado cream and a little bit of mint. It's super delicious, very, very fast. Only 5 ingredients. Let's do it. When you're picking an avocado, pinching the sides, not a good indicator of whether or not it's good. If it's soft on the sides, that means that it's probably overripe. You want it to be slightly firm on the side. What you do is you actually feel the top and you kind of press there. And if you have a little give, then it's a good avocado. The reason this dessert is so good is because it really hits all of your bases while keeping it light. So we have some fat from the coconut and the avocado, along with acid from the grapefruit, and then we'll get sweetness from our honey, and then just a little bit more freshness from our mint. It all comes together really simply. Avocado cream first, then we'll go with the grapefruit, drizzle of honey, finish with the mint. There you go, so quick, super delicious. The dish all together just is so well balanced, and each element kind of plays its own role. And I love how well everything goes together. So give that a try for your guests, for yourself, or whatever, and let us know how you like it. Enjoy.